Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever, the shifting landscape of college degrees and job markets. Did you know that some degrees costing upwards of $100,000 now lead to jobs that pay less than what plumbers earn without any debt? The job market has flipped dramatically. Skills that were once undervalued are now commanding six-figure salaries, while many traditional degrees are leaving graduates struggling to find employment. In fact, the American education system has perpetuated a dangerous myth that any degree guarantees success. The truth? About 40% of recent graduates are underemployed, working in jobs that don't even require a degree. Meanwhile, skilled trades and self-taught tech professionals are out-earning their college-educated peers. Let's break down some key facts. First up, liberal arts degrees, once seen as gateways to diverse careers, now face harsh realities. Graduates in fields like history and philosophy are starting with salaries between $38,000 and $42,000, barely above poverty levels in major cities. With student debt averaging over $30,000, the return on investment is disheartening unless these degrees are paired with specialized skills. On the flip side, STEM degrees are still leading the pack. Computer science graduates can expect starting salaries between $75,000 and $95,000, while data scientists often earn over $85,000 right out of the gate. These fields are crucial in solving complex problems that can't be easily automated, and they consistently offer the highest lifetime earnings. Let's not overlook the hidden winners: trade skills. Electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians can earn between $50,000 and $80,000 annually without the burden of student debt. Master electricians can even make upwards of $100,000 by their 30s. With trade schools costing under $10,000, these paths lead to immediate employment and benefits, making them incredibly appealing in today's economy. Now, let's talk about the rise of AI and machine learning. Just 15 years ago, these roles barely existed, but today, entry-level AI engineers can earn between $95,000 and $130,000. This field is rapidly evolving, and universities are scrambling to keep up, while boot camps and self-taught developers are already stepping in to fill these roles. However, not all degrees are created equal. Generic business degrees are becoming oversaturated, with 387,000 awarded annually. Starting salaries hover around $52,000, which is only slightly above skilled trades. Success in business now requires specialization in areas like finance, analytics, or digital marketing. Rather than broad management theory, healthcare remains a solid choice, offering unmatched job security. With an aging population, healthcare jobs are projected to grow by 13% through 2031. Registered nurses earn a median salary of $77,000, and physician assistants start around $115,000, combining meaningful work with stability. Interestingly, many tech companies, including Google and Apple, have stopped requiring degrees for various positions. This shift means that coding bootcamp graduates can often out-earn traditional computer science majors right from the start. Cybersecurity is another field with desperate demand. With 3.5 million unfilled positions globally, entry-level analysts can earn between $70,000 and $85,000, while senior roles can reach $180,000. This sector offers certification pathways that allow motivated learners to enter high-paying careers in just months. Data science is bridging gaps across industries, combining statistics, programming, and business insight. On the other hand, law degrees can be high-stakes gambles, with costs ranging from $150,000 to $300,000, and only 60% of graduates finding full-time legal employment. It's a risky investment. Renewable energy is emerging as a giant, with solar installers earning around $47,000 and renewable energy engineers starting at $75,000. Job growth in this sector is projected to soar by 60% over the next decade, making it a promising career path. Teaching offers stability, but not wealth. While education degrees provide job security, teachers earn an average of $65,000 after years of experience, making it more of a passion-driven choice. With salaries ranging from $75,000 to $110,000, this field is in high demand as companies seek to enhance digital experiences. The landscape of work is changing, and remote work has transformed everything. Tech workers can earn Silicon Valley salaries while living in lower-cost areas, fundamentally altering how we view degree value. Ultimately, lifelong learning beats any single degree. In many fields, professional